Hey, it's Jack from Backcountry Access. At BCA, we're really strong believers that practice is what makes you a really efficient user of your transceiver. So here are 4 ways to practice with your transceiver during the off season. The beacon. For this scenario, what you're going to do is find yourself some grass, preferably on a steep hillside that might simulate an avalanche path. Then you're going to have your buddy hide a transceiver in the grass so that you can find it and practice your skills.
5, 17, 14.
All right, for this one, you're gonna need some sand. A beach volleyball court or a sandy beach works awesome. For this drill, I've buried 2 transceivers out onto this beach volleyball court. We're gonna do a full companion rescue. I'm gonna conduct a transceiver search, then I'll probe, and then I'll shovel. Let's have some fun. For this drill, we've cut a foam football in half. We turned on a transceiver into transmit mode. We've duct taped it back together. We're gonna chuck this out into the field here and then use another transceiver to go find it. This is a really great drill to do if you don't have anybody else to practice with. Low point. All right, this scenario is really cool. We've got 12 flower pots and some short grass just behind me here. 10 of these flower pots are empty. One of the flower pots has a transceiver in it. The other flower pot has the transceiver and a cold, refreshing beverage. And I'm coming in on the signal, and because, there's no snow on the ground, we're still gonna practice. And we're gonna do that fine search here. Just for practice sake, nice kind of slow movements, confirming our low point here. We found our first beacon. We're gonna suppress that signal, and we're gonna move on to find that next transceiver and hopefully our cold beer. 14, 88, 79, 58. Coming on in here. Sweet. The beacon. Cold beer. What are some ways that you practice with your transceiver during the off season? Let us know. What are some other good ways to practice? We'd love to hear it. For more educational resources, you can check us out at backcountryaccess.com.